This is the third ISSA certification to come to me this week. And let's take a look at it and see what we've got here. The International Scissor Sharpeners Association. We do a simple certification, convex and a bevel that I've damaged, and looking to see if the convex is a convex and the bevel's a bevel, and if they cut wet tissue, if they cut hair, and basically that's it. So let's see if this person passes. So he actually sent me some money to return his shears, and I've already checked the written test. Everything's correct on that, and we're just ready to look at the shears. And this is number 312909. Beveled edge, convex edge. And I'm going to see if they cut tissue. We'll try it dry first. Not adjusting the screw. Thumb out. Cuts dry. Cuts dry. See if it cuts wet. So, almost got it too wet here. Thumb out. Slow catches things, fast doesn't catch. Perfect cut on wet. The beveled edges, if they don't cut wet, they still can pass. Well, if they cut wet, we know they're really good. A little bit of raggedy, but that's to be expected on a beveled edge. So let's see how they cut hair. These feel sharp. Normally I demonstrate that they're sharp by sliding through the hair, which I can do that. But they are sharp. I can feel it with my thumb, but look how the hair just sort of comes off. Nice and sharp. Let's see if it pushes hair. Just a hint of a push. A hint of a push. But that's within tolerance of saying they pass. Let's see how this one cuts hair. Nice crisp cut. And you notice how a beveled edge typically will cut without pushing, but it's not going to be as sharp. It's not going to be able to slide like I did that other one going through the hair. So, final thing. Is the convex really a convex? Is the bevel really a bevel? And if it is, this person has passed. So bevel, yes, he left his serration, and he's got a nice crisp bevel there. Do you see that? Nice crisp bevel. Where's the camera here? Nice crisp bevel. Convex. That looks pretty convexy. It's still got a little bit of a bevel there. More of a bevel there than I would like to see. These shears come to you with a semi-convex, and we're looking for you to do a true convex. And we're looking to see if all the nicks are gone. And the nicks are gone. And it's got, it's convex. It's not a perfect convex. So, I'm going to say these two shears have passed certification. And this person, who is Edward Nelson, congratulations. You are now a certified member of the ISSA, International Scissor Sharpeners Association. So this week we've had 2 people pass and 1 not pass. And the one that didn't pass is pretty close. I'm sure they will, because we're going to send it back to them. Are you a sharpener? You think you can pass the ISSA?